a main preoccupation. Most of the food and dishes eaten during Chinese New Year have their own symbolic meaning, like those that are enjoyed in Malaysia every Chinese New Year. Next slide. The wrong slide. Yeah, thank you. Next. Hello? Mandarin oranges are used for decoration and eaten during Chinese New Year as it represents wealth and also believed to attract wealth. Next slide. Raw fish salad, also known as yu sheng, is one of the most traditional food in Chinese New Year. The specialty is the ingredients. For example, fish is added to symbolize success through the year. Lime is added with the fish to add luck, and oil is added for luck to go to every direction. Next slide, please. Nian Gao. Nian Gao means year cake, and it is a popular rice cake. It involves a legend with a man named Wu Zishu, a prime minister of the state of Wu. Before he died, he told the king to dig the wall when the citizens are in hunger. One day, the enemy of state of Wu, state of Yu, attacked Wu, and its citizens suffered from hunger. The king remembered Wu Zishu's word and ordered the people to dig under the wall where they found the rice cake. So, people of Wu made Nian Gao every Chinese New Year to remember Wu Zishu and celebrate the New Year. Next slide. Dumplings. Dumplings are filled with cabbage and pork. They represent money, so some cook even hide coins inside the dumplings if people are lucky to find them. Next slide.
This is steamboat. Steamboat is very popular in Penang. Many Chinese families like Chinese New Year's Eve. The dish contains sliced meat, vegetables, and seafood. The dishes are placed into a hot pot and cooked on a table. Next slide, please. This is pencai. The ingredients of the dish are cooked in layers in a ceramic pot. It was traditionally served to the emperor during the Song dynasty. Next slide, please. This is the luohan chai, and it is also called as the Buddha's delight. It's a vegetarian dish that is served on the first day of Chinese New Year. It consists of various vegetables and a type of black algae.
Peanut cookies are made of brown peanuts, flour, sugar, oil, and eggs. Chinese believe that eating these delicious peanut cookies will promote longevity. Next slide. Kueh kapit is made of flour, sugar, eggs, and coconut milk. It symbolizes fertility. Next slide, please. Kueh bangkit is also called coconut cookies. It is made of flour, sugar, eggs, coconut milk, and pandan leaves, which is a kind of fragrant leaf. Happy New Year.